Okay, so let's talk about this for a minute because I don't want to I don't want to box you in. I don't want to box you into thinking. Now, if you have something you're actually passionate about, for example, we have a member of our community who's like a foosball champion. If you have something you're actually passionate about, you should use this same strategies that we're teaching, but don't be afraid to use your face. Okay, in this case, this person enjoys their passion. They enjoy, it looks like, making keto recipes, filming it probably on their phone, on their iPhone, and then they're just doing traditional TikToks. These are much more traditional Instagrams and TikToks, right? This is what you're used to seeing people post. This works even better. So when I say faceless, there are variations. There's a spectrum of faceless. Faceless could be, for example, he didn't have to post himself taking a bite and eating. Maybe you don't like the way you look. Maybe you just feel a little bit uncomfortable. But you could, for example, make a recipe and film it with your phone pretty easily and then just do a voiceover. And you can have a whole channel where you're actually just creating original content yourself and you're just doing a voiceover. We just never see your face and you just don't use your name. That would be on the spectrum of faceless content as well, right? So I just want to let you know, like, this is acceptable. This is just not 100% faceless. It's somewhere on the spectrum of faceless because a lot of what they're doing is they're just putting a phone on like a little stand, like a little one of those like little gorilla bar stands, and they're just filming what's going on in the background. So I just wanted to kind of show you that you can do that.